Hello. Happy Monday, everybody. Ah, I'm going to wait on a few people to come in. I hope everybody is having a fantastic Monday morning so far. It's a new week and a new you, so a new opportunity to smash some more goals. Today I'm actually going to be bringing on a really cool guest. I'm really excited to bring this person on, and he's going to be sharing a lot of his wisdom and bringing value to us today. And today we're actually going to be talking about the importance of having a daily method of operation in internet marketing. Let me see if I can find some people here. Da-da-da. All right. Let's see if hey there, Leigh. How are you? Good to see you. I know it's early in the morning. You guys are probably on the grind already. But before I bring Leigh on, I'm going to speak briefly on myself. For those of you who don't know, my name is Zipporah Banier. I am an internet and network marketer. I market mostly affiliate marketing, referral marketing, and I also invest in cryptocurrency. So, like I said, today I'm going to bring a very special guest on who's going to speak with us briefly about the importance of a daily method of operation in any network or marketing or internet marketing business. So, without further ado, I'm going to bring him on because he made it promptly. I won't take up too much of your time. And let's see, here we go. Uh oh. the page changed on me and I hit the wrong person, so I'm glad I didn't do that. Hey, Cedric, good to see you. Good morning, Gary. Thanks for joining and tuning in. Hey, Leigh, how are you?
Hey, support. All
I'm
right.
good. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you great. Is the sound all right for me?
Yeah, you sound great. All right,
Good,
Leigh.
good.
So, welcome. Am I saying your name right?
Thank you.
It's Leigh, correct?
Lee, that's correct. As if it was two E's, just the same.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, so we have Leigh here all the way from the UK. He's an amazing person, an amazing network marketer. He's doing some wonderful things out there, and he's just going to share, his story a little bit with us. So I'm going to go ahead and get started so everybody can get into their wonderful motivational Monday. So can you tell me a little bit about how you got started into online and network marketing?
Of course. First of all, for those of your viewers that don't know me, my name's Leigh Wright. I'm an attraction marketer and a lead generation coach. Um, since the 30-day challenge, I can now call myself a personal mentor as well. So that's to my title of being able to help people. What first got me into this space, to be honest,
Mm-hmm.
I was just desperate. I mean, I worked 20 years, grafted on the sites and on the roofs doing carpentry and stuff like that. So my background is all manual work. So yeah, I had a lot of success, but never quite felt like I belonged to any of these companies or doing this, this kind of work. Never felt fulfilled or passionate about it really. Um, I had a kidney transplant. Um, it forced me, it knocked me a little bit. It forced me, away from the physical work for a little bit. But after a year of recovering, I jumped straight back into carpentry and what I know best. Managed to do it for 7 or 8 years, to be honest. Struggling, but my
Mm-hmm.
body it was just wasn't holding up. So about about a year and a half ago now, that kidney started failing. And my mum gave me the kidney, you see, and it was a real shock for me. It was a real wake up call. Like, my mum went through this major operation to give me this kidney, and I'm risking it by, although I was doing it in good intentions, going to work and going to graft, I had to rethink, my life choices, and so I kind of forced into the online space out of desperacy. When I had to leave training anything else. The government over here kind of let me down big time. Didn't give me any support. Made me feel like I was lying about my condition, even though I'm not sure how you can lie about a kidney transplant. So I was majorly let down, yeah, by our benefit system. So I was forced into going online. So I mean, thank God all this. Thank God for this journey for me because without these hardships and without going through these bad times, I wouldn't have found online marketing and network marketing, and that this is the way it's come for me. So yeah, I was forced into it, but thank God I was. It's amazing, amazing to be in this space. So yeah, that's how I got into it, Zipporah.
Wow, wow, that's an amazing story. I don't think I've ever heard the full story, and I'm so glad you shared that because it's so crucial to understand, that when we're working some of these jobs and these other places of employment, there's nothing wrong with having a job. But the fact of
No,
the matter is, when we're working with someone else, there's no guarantees,
no,
The company, you can get laid off at any time. Our bodies can break down as yours did. But the
that's right.
bills are still there. We still have responsibilities and necessities that we have to take care of. And let's not even talk about, the luxuries of life. So
Yeah,
I think that, I think it was a blessing in disguise, like you said,
exactly.
and your health is okay now.
Um, Right, I mean the kidney is always rejecting naturally, so it's managed. I say it's managed. I
Okay.
probably live 60-70% to my full potential, body wise and energy wise. But you know what? There's so many people worse off than me, Sephora. I mean, I spent a year on dialysis, which was
Mhm.
absolutely horrendous.
Yeah.
And I met some amazing people up there that had been stuck on the transplant list for like 10 years.
Yeah.
People that really suffering and just clinging on to life on these machines. So for me to be able to get a transplant after a year, not only that, like my family, five of my family went for tests to see if they were matches. And another miracle story in this is all five of these family members were matches. And that
Wow.
was absolutely amazing. Yeah, I mean, there is another story to this where my nan actually got found bowel cancer in the screening for this. And not only were they all positive matches. My nan found bowel cancer early on in the screening process of testing. So luckily they were able to operate and had a good 10-15 years onto my nan's life as well. Yeah, miracle,
Wow.
miracle.
That
So
is
yeah,
totally a miracle. That is such a blessing. Yes, you are highly blessed, you and your family. I'm so glad to hear that, and I'm so glad that you're sitting here today. And you took a negative and turned it into a positive because it got you into online marketing, and I know you're doing really well with that. So that's
thank you.
awesome. So I'm going to move into my next question is, as I know, like when I started doing internet and network marketing, I kind of was all over the place. I was disorganized. That's probably one of my weaknesses.
Yeah,
And I was
mine
just
too.
doing, I just didn't really have an effective plan or a method of operations. And once I started to get into these are the daily things that I need to do, that really started to open up a lot more time freedom for me. And it also made my time more effective and efficient. Can you talk to us about some of the things, some of your daily method of operations and how that was a game changer for you?
Yeah, see, I never really, because I've only been in it for just over about a year and a half now, so I never
Hmm.
had a DMO year. Okay, so you can imagine how manic that was because without the DMO, I mean, I used to get lost. I used to, right,
Hmm.
I'd have a plan of going onto the internet to have, three or four things to do that were quite important. And 4 or 5 hours later, I'd be looking at kittens on YouTube or,
I
it
know.
was just like, what am I doing? Like at 2 o'clock in the morning, watching funny videos on YouTube. I did not set out to do this. So a big thing that DMO will give you straight away is structure. Okay, because if you think about everything in life, even a 9 to 5 job, you've got certain things that you need to get done in a certain order, to make these cogs keep your cogs oiled and keep these cogs working, and to make your machine effectively work on a day-to-day basis. So structure is one of the biggest things you're going to get from a DMO. Start the day with affirmations. It sets my mindset up straight away for the day. I'm always scheduling my posts and my activities, every day, so that it helps me not get lost in my daily activities. What else did I write down? Oh, just knowing what to do. Just the DMO. It will help you. It will give you a goal and an aim, and something to aim for. So it helped me go from a struggling marketer to actually having goals and being successful and driven. And really having set goals is having something written down is amazing.
Absolutely, absolutely. I can definitely agree with you. Like I said, having a DMO is a game changer. And then like I said, the biggest thing for me, yes, definitely the structure. I need that. I'm a fire sign. I'm an Aries. I'm all over the place sometimes. but it also frees up that time so you can do more of the things you want to do. You know, you're getting things done, you're being efficient and effective, and you get to spend more time with family, or you catch up on Netflix, and now you can catch up on those YouTube videos and the kittens, you know, and it's okay.
Exactly. When you're supposed to, yeah.
Right, right. And your leisure time, you know, you've got leisure time.
Exactly.
So,
Yeah.
I know that you're one of my teammates in the 30-day challenge. Can you
Yeah.
kind of tell me what pushed you and drove you into deciding to take the challenge?
Yes. Well, the one reason was Malik, really. I mean, you know Malik, he's a
Yeah,
top
he's
guy.
amazing.
And I was, like I say, I was lost right up until I started following Malik, probably about 4 or 5 months ago now. And he is on point, and the information he was giving, and the stuff that he was saying was really resonating with me, and I really needed that arm, around my shoulder and somebody to guide me, and Malik was there for me. So he was the main reason that I gravitated towards the 30-day challenge. Thankfully, again, because it's a game changer for me. I was literally banging my head against walls. Like I say, in my previous lives, I think I'd quit 4 times in the six to 10 months previous. I was lost. I was a lost soul. So that's why I
Mhm.
levitated towards the 30-day challenge. So glad I did. It's an amazing challenge. So yeah,
Absolutely. In my short time in being in it, it's been nothing but amazing. I mean, I've gotten so much out of it. I've met great people like you, and we just hit it off right away. You know, it was like that kindred spirit, you know, kind of thing. Like we
yeah,
knew each
like
other
family.
before. It was, yeah, it was amazing, you know. So, and this is actually, like I said, the first time I'm getting to hear your story fully. So, um, tell me about how your experience has been since you've been in the challenge, the 30-day to $1,000 challenge.
Okay, wow, yeah, it's been a roller coaster that keeps going up, never comes back
Mm-hmm.
down.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like I'm floating on clouds, literally, Sephora.
Mm-hmm.
My role soon changed from, like I say, struggling marketer to being a leader. I mean, into double figures now, the amount of people that I've helped join this training and are now in my team. So, I'm personally mentoring these people as well as them getting help from Trisha and Malik and, the other challengers like yourself, Sephora. Trying to teach, and trying to breed responsible marketing, really, and just looking after and reaching back to people that are struggling. And there's so many people lost out there,
Mm-hmm.
Sephora, and lonely. So many people need support and help. I was one of these people until I met Malik and Trisha and you guys. I was so alone and lost. So to have this direction that it's given us and these goals, and just having, when you get the knowledge that you can actually help people with this knowledge and
Mm-hmm.
actually impact people's lives, it's so empowering. And I feel so grateful and blessed to have this. I feel like it's a superpower now, superpower that so many people don't have, that so many people need. And I'm just ready. I thank Malik for this because he bred into me straight away. Look, just help as many people as you can. I mean, that was natural for me anyway because I like to help people. My passion is helping people, so it was natural for me to do that. But he showed me how to do it in a way that would benefit everybody and benefit me as well, and get my engagement going. And joining this family and this challenge it's been a godsend. Honestly, I get emotional sometimes when I think about it, Sephora, because it's changed my life. Honestly, that's
Awesome, awesome. That's great to hear. And like I said, I'm just getting the ball rolling in this thing, and I feel the same. You know, sometimes I'm sitting here and I'm like, I cannot believe what is happening. Yeah, like I can't believe this is happening right now.
sorry.
It's like, yeah, I mean, it's amazing because, like I said, these were the things, like you said, I was struggling. I got stuck. You know, I was trying to figure out, I was doing things that were necessary. I wasn't doing the things that were necessary. And so to come into this community and it really to be all about, let's help, let's learn what we need to learn first. And then let's go out there and start helping other people, and everything else
Yeah.
just falls into place. It's definitely such a blessing. And I'm so grateful
Sephora,
that you
sorry
came
to
on.
interrupt you. I
Yeah, go ahead.
forgot to congratulate you on your
Oh,
first sale. Well done. So sorry I
thank
forgot,
you.
but that's amazing. I mean, I was
Thank
watching
you.
you straight away, and you're a born leader. You lead with value. Your lives are amazing. So I'm not surprised that after only 3 days of joining this challenge, you've got somebody on board, and you're going to be helping them daily. So
Yes.
well done to you. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank appreciate it, and the overwhelming support I got from everybody, with all the congratulations. It was amazing. And she's a born leader as well. I can't wait to get her on some lives, and she's got a very amazing story that people need to hear. And so, hopefully, you gave a
Cool.
tremendous amount of value today. I appreciate you sharing your wisdom and have
Thank
the
you
the
very much.
leader capabilities, and anybody that got with you would definitely be going in the right direction because you're doing it for the right reasons. So I am
Exactly.
very
Thank you.
happy and grateful that you came and took your time out. What time is it there in the UK?
It's just gone 3:15, coming up 20 past 3.
Yes, afternoon. You guys have had breakfast and lunch already.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Lots of grinding
yeah.
to do.
Yeah, that's it. Now it's time to get in it, right? Okay.
That's it.
For me, it's time to really get straight into it. So I'm not going to take up too much more of your time. I'm going to give you your day back, and thank you guys for tuning in. You heard it from the best. This guy right here is a born leader. He was doing amazing things really early into the 30-day challenge, and quite frankly, if you're needing to change the game or level up in your network marketing, just talk to one of us and see what the benefits are of becoming a part of the program. Like I said, it's not necessarily about getting to the $1,000 as much as it is developing yourself and growing as an internet marketer and becoming better. And of course, this training can be used for any of your opportunities. So, yeah, reach out to either one of us. And with that
Thanks,
being
man.
said, I'm going to release everybody back to their Monday. So have a
Thank you
wonderful
for having me.
day.
Thanks for
Yes,
having me,
thank you for
supporter.
coming. All right. Have a great
Take
day,
care.
guys. All right.
Bye bye.
Peace.